Yo, what's up, y'all? I'm not gonna lie, this video is gonna be low-key random, just for the sake that I'm just going out, like, with my bro, just to look at some cars for real. Like, I saw this flyer, like, a random flyer come up with my IG, and I was like, I might as well slide, bro. It don't hurt. We wasn't doing nothing. It was a Tuesday night, I think it was. So, like, just chill stuff, bro. Good vibes. Some cool people out there, some cool bills out there. It was cool, bro. Just relax and chill. I guess you could kind of take it as, like, a chill New York City car night, I guess you could say, in a way. You know what I'm saying? But like, if y'all know like some, fire shows, like, or like some stuff happening in the city, bro, let me know in the comments, bro. You know what I'm saying? IG pages, DM me something like, let me know, bro. I'd be down to pull up to some stuff, yo. I want to be outside sometimes. But yeah, I'm just gonna show you this video. He trying to show as soon as I fucking.
Have a good night, everybody.
You too, gang.
Cool ass nigga, bro. I guess that shit was loud as fuck though for a cool ass nigga, bro.
Yeah, you go.
Look where I'm with, y'all.
Yo, what's good, y'all? What's good, man? We finally made it out the Ave, man. You know where we at?
Nah, word, bro. No, nah. They got the Spanish music on playing, That's awesome.
Put the camera down.
What about it, bro? Oh shit! Yo, the Gatimus that we just saw, that was crazy. Like, I gotta actually record about that, bro. That was actually insane, bro. Like, I thought someone the guy was driving past, bro.
Nah, nigga.
Yeah, I saw that shit from the peep up in the corner,
You
bro.
don't have good court vision like me, nigga.
Nah, but I'm not looking for that. You know what I'm
I
saying?
wasn't looking for that either, bro.
I took another look, bro, and I was like, what the fuck?
Interesting, bro.
Yeah, but anyways, y'all, I don't know where the fuck we at, bro. I just saw a random ass flyer for a car show or some shit. So I'm gonna slide, bro. So we're gonna stand right here and see who's pulling up and shit, bro.
Alright, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put my shiesty on, bro. Put my
shiesty on right now?
Stand in the back, bro.
Big ass truck shit, bro. I don't know nothing about that truck shit, bro. Wait, do it again.
You wanna do that when the camera off? Like, what the fuck?
I gotta get all the good content, nigga. I gotta see that shit. That's what's kind of weak. I ain't gonna lie. That was kind of weak. Is he gonna do it too? He next?
That was alright.
That was alright. I give that one a 6 out of 10 on the good scale. You know what I'm saying? Honda boy, bro. Oh, I hear it. I hear the turbo, bro. Oh yeah. He not gonna send it, bro.
You got a laptop in that shit.
What you say, bro?
So you definitely got a laptop in that shit. Look, yo. Oh shit.
That shit weak, bro.
400 horsepower.
Nah, bro. He just fucking challenge, bro. Shit is low as fuck, bro. Low to scat, bro. And then he got the beam in front of his dumb low too, bro. And poor niggas and shit, bro.
I got someone here, bro.
Y'all, bro, look, peep this nigga, bro. This nigga is struggling to put a shiesty on, bro. Nigga, that shit. You see shit,
How
bro.
much you looking at? How much you looking
It's better, bro. I ain't gonna lie, gang. This top part is not fucking. All right, yeah. You got too much hair, bro.
at? No, no.
All right, yeah, now it's good. It's good.
Can you see my face, like my eyes and shit?
I can see your eyes. That's it, nigga.
Good.
He certified, y'all? I think he's certified. Certified shiesty. Yeah. Loud ass niggas, man. Loud ass dude, man. I know that shit's backfiring, bro. I hear that shit, bro. You know what I'm saying? Good content, nigga. Good content. Look at that shit. That shit is clean, nigga. W wheels, bro. W wheels, bro. I ain't lying, nigga. Wheel fitment. Damn, nigga. I wanted to ask that nigga for what's his wheel fitment, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I gotta find that nigga, IG, bro. That nigga got the fitment I need, bro. That Blue Z, bro. That Blue Z kind of clean, nigga. We in blue too? Tough, nigga. You got this shit clean, nigga. Shit clean, bro. This nigga got a gap can and subs, bro. That is crazy. Huh? Clean ass 350Z, bro. You know what I'm saying? Pink, carbon fenders, carbon hood. Got the fucking ZTEs. What? Money. I knew it that nigga. Bro, as soon as I walked to the car, bro, I knew it was his car, bro. Can we get closer, nigga? I thought I'm gonna walk over there, he's gonna leave, bro. Oh, they telling him to chill, bro. They telling him to chill. Should we get the beef on camera, bro? I ain't gonna W his girlfriend, bro. His girlfriend hyping him up, bro. Hold on, y'all, real quick. Peep this, bro. Convertible is fire, bro. Like, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not a convertible guy, but this one right here, I think I hike want a convertible. All right, y'all, real quick, this is my top 6 favorite cars that I was able to see when I was still there.
I had a 40-year-old man calling me big bro. $500,000 in deposit, that's for 6 shows. I'm the same shit, bro. Keep squeezing till the clip gone. See, got an 8, I got an 8 shit, that's a brick roll. I drunk 100 pints in jail, you can ask Sosa. They ain't never found my phone, I hid it in the lotion.
All right, y'all, that was a quick little side quest, not gonna lie. Now we're gonna be back to the regular scheduled videos of the G35 build that is still getting done. I'm not gonna lie, if y'all watch this video, and I'll tell y'all, the 05 G35, I'm not really trying to give up on the car, but y'all, I cannot figure out that alignment issue. It just pissed me off. And the longer and longer the car sits in my driveway, the more and more it rusts. And like, as I'm looking at certain things underneath the car, it's just starting to low-key look a little unsafe to be under there with jack stands and stuff. So that car might be going somewhere else. Maybe. I may keep it and maybe rebuild it in a couple of years, you know, if I could have somewhere I could put it. Or I may not and just, you know what I'm saying, just grab it. But then it's like it's my first build, y'all. You know what I'm saying? The first actual build car that I did, like complete strip down the car and start building. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. But back to the Flip 08 G35, y'all. Back to that in like 2 days.